Junkyard Junkie back here with another video. Today I will be showing you how to get rid of this maintenance required light. This is for whenever you need an oil change. It lets you know it's time for an oil change, but every time you do an oil change you need to reset it. Now on this one, this is a 2012 Toyota Tacoma, but it is very similar on all Toyotas. Usually you use the odometer, but this one we will be using trip A. You'll see what I mean in just a second, but if you have a Camry, it's the same thing, except for you'll be on odometer when you do it. But as you can see here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your trip A. Now you're going to turn it off, all the way off. Now hold down the button and go all the way on. You'll see it count down from 5 all the way down. Once it zeroes out, then your maintenance required light is now gone. But you only want to do this when you change your oil. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.